Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add admin in Google Meet or how to add co-host on Google Meet. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add co-host in Google Meet, just click on the log icon on lower right corner. This is called host controls. Just click on host controls. Host management is by default turned off. Just click here to turn on host management, and then all the options are turned on right now. If you find any option turned off, just turn it on, and you will find meeting access. Host must join before anyone else. You can enable this option or you can disable this option. Just now close host control and now click on the show everyone icon. Now I'm going to add co-host on my Google Meet. Just click on the three dot icon of selected person. Here you will find an option add as co-host. Just click on add as co-host. Now look, under the name of co-host you will find meeting host also. In this way you can make anyone as administrator in Google Meet or co-host in Google Meet. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.